In this video, we talk about your phone battery. We start now. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Q256. Welcome back from the holidays, and we noticed that each time we try to call somebody that went up country, you'd always find this annoying tone. The number you're calling is not available at the moment. Please try again later. Well, if you get to notice, this is because most of you went to the village where there is no power. In this video, I give you tips on how you can make your battery last longer. People admire the days when they used to have the brick phones. Remember them? The reason why those lasted an entire day or even an entire week on battery is because they're doing one simple thing and one thing only. They were dealing with your phone calls. That is all. Right now, you're holding a smartphone. It is a compass. It is a GPS connector. It is an internet device. It is a million things in one. This is how you can make your battery last longer for the next time you're doing a trip, or if you just want to have your phone on longer throughout the day without having to look for charger. Some charger. Number one, turn off GPS. Yes, this might sound insane, but turn off GPS, because there are some applications that need GPS. For example, if you're hailing a surfboarder or if you're hailing an Uber, then you need GPS to tell the driver where to find you exactly. If you're not using such an application, there's no need to have GPS on. Yes, some people would say my data is off, so even if I leave the GPS on, it doesn't affect. When your GPS is on, what happens is your phone keeps constantly searching for satellites to keep tracking its location. So even if your data is off, it will continue tracking you. That means battery is running in the background. Turn the GPS off. Number two, less data, more Wi-Fi. When you're using mobile data, 4G, 3G plus or whatsoever, your phone is basically trying to connect to different masts, make sure it provides you the best service possible. That means it's bouncing between 3G, 4G, H plus, all that at the same time while trying to scan. Now, all this process, all this background stuff happening is going to drain your battery. So the next time you're on a road trip, or if you're in Kampala and you're not going to have a charger nearby, invest in a MiFi. They're very tiny devices. So basically, all the hassle of looking for network is dedicated to that device, leaving your phone to just enjoy the benefits. More like sequins, eh? Number three, manage your screen brightness. Reduce the brightness of the screen. Especially if you're indoors, reduce the brightness of the screen. Turn off automatic brightness. Now, automatic brightness is still going to activate those sensors that are going to keep scanning, trying to match the ambient light of the room to a level that is good for your eyes. Everything running in the background is running on battery. Turn off automatic brightness on your phone. The other tip talking about screen brightness is reduce your screen timeout. Now, screen timeout basically is how long the screen takes. Let's say if I've been Facebooking and I put the phone down, how long does the screen take to go off, like to go black? Yes, reduce on your screen timeout. Reduce the screen timeout. Drop it from a minute, put it like half a minute or 15 seconds. And this will all help cut down on how much your phone swallows battery. Number four, turn off the things you are not using. Like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, all these other added communication services. If you're not using it, turn it off. Tip number five, reduce. Cut down on notifications and vibrations. That's a lot of energy being taken right there. Turn off vibrations. They do suck up a lot on power. Put the phone in silent mode if you can, and have it in your hand so that you can notice when somebody is calling you. Finally, if you're not using the phone, or if let's say you're up country, unstable power, it's on, it's off, it's on, it's off, it's on, it's off. Best thing to do for you is turn off the phone. Turn it on when you need it. Turn it on to give me a call. Turn it on to send me some money. But then turn it off after. Yep. That's it for you right now. 5 tips to help you make your phone battery last longer. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Click right here. Click the circle over here to subscribe. Click right here, subscribe. Subscribe. Click to subscribe and you shall get to... Click subscribe, click it, feel free, click it, it's free. Click it, no money asked for, just click subscribe. Click it, click.